God damn. You scared? Just that little bit.
We'll be just north here going up this hill. Welcome back. Well, boys, it's a sad day for the Civic. We're headed up to the shop real quick. This isn't going to be a long video. I got to get up there. We're going to yank the engine out of the Civic, and we're going to pull it apart and see what failed. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram or not, but I haven't really posted anything on YouTube since I posted that short of it doing a couple pulls on the new turbo. But yeah, basically I was out taking some logs the other night, and it was about 105 mile an hour on the top of third gear, shifted to fourth. It blew coolant out. Basically it blew the thermostat out of the housing. It shot coolant all over the front tires. The car went spinning. Luckily I was able to save it and didn't end up putting it into the ditch. The car itself was fine, but I got it towed back to the shop, and once we got back to the shop I realized it was a little bit more than just the thermostat blowing out. So I pulled the housing off, the water pump housing off of it, and found a little I-beam peeking out in front of the block. So I'm gonna pull it out, yank the head off of it, and see what happened. I think it probably lifted the head, hydrolock cylinder 1, bent the rod, and shoved it out the front. So it's kind of a shitty day. It sucks, but it's part of this life. You know, we got a K20 laying around. Might just have to order a set of sleeves and put a sleeve K20 back in it. So we'll see what happens, but stay tuned. I'll be at the shop here shortly, and I'll pick up with you guys then. Little update. Everything's off. Some lights for you guys. We're gonna pull it out with the manifold on it. Just pulled the turbo off of it, harness, all the intercooler piping, axles are out. Axles are out, turbo's sitting down there. And she's pretty much ready. We're getting the hoist all bolted up right now. And we're gonna yank this engine out. So check back once it's out and we'll see what happens.
Oh, I guess I'm recording.
Well, here goes nothing, boys. Oh God, I hate this part. I really hate it. I'm pretty confident we got 2 bad exhaust valves. Intake side looks fine, but I think we got 2 valves stuck open on the exhaust side. So here goes nothing, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it off and see how much more shit we gotta fix. Stay there. I might need to pry a little bit on that side. Alright, we ready?
Yeah.
The piston looks fine.
Yeah.
That's good. We definitely pushed it. That was gasket material on the piston. Oh. Almost looks like we might have. I'm not sure, honestly, bro. Make sure we get this whole thing on video so I can show Tim, show everybody else before we go wiping at it. Okay, I'll pull it off of here now. Let's see what the bottom of it looks like. And then we can also look and see if we got torch marks or anything on the bottom of that cylinder head. It's just gonna make a fucking mess when I flip it upside down. Looks like there's no marks on the head itself. Looks good. Alright, bottom of the head gasket, and oh yeah, we were pushing the gasket, cylinder 2. It was lifting the head right there, which is right where I told you, in the front of the fucking block. Yeah. It was lifting the head right here, right where all that oil and stuff was blowing out. So 17 pounds on that pulsar was starting to lift the head. Lifted it and hydro block cylinder 1, bud. That's wild. I'd like to try to get this piston out of here now.
Seemed like it was kind of wedged in there, really.
Well, we can get it free. It'll come out. There she goes. Ready? Good Lord. Yeah, dude, you only do... Oh, the wrist pin let go, too, when it happened.
Oh.
Yeah, the fucking wrist pin let go. That piston's demolished.
Got a fucking wrench there.
Oh, that's a turbo tough rod, homie. How the fuck? I wonder if it was wrist pin failure. I didn't think that, but... Yeah, I mean, looking at this, we probably hit a valve. Or maybe not. I mean, it let go at the bottom. The crank is trashed. It let go at the bottom, so maybe the piston stayed down in there. And you can see the CSS did its job great, though. The whole cylinder wall looks good until you get to the bottom there, and you've got a little...
Oh,
looks
yeah.
like it's notched for a
Yeah,
boost
little
line rod or
fucking
something.
Chunk taken out of it.
Oh, here's another Wiseco for the shelf. I guess let's do a quick flipperoo of this and see how fucked up it is. Okay, exhaust side here. So let's just go like this. Hit it with the light real quick. Yeah, we got 2 bent valves. 2 bent exhaust valves. You can see the piston kissed her.
Yeah.
Just barely kissed it too, dude. Dang. That sucks. It's not bad though. It's not terrible. You can order a set of valves and have a valve job done on one hole. That's not the end of the world. Could have been a lot worse. Fuck me running, bro. Weld the block up, put a new piston and rod in it, and send her back on her way, or what? Why? This damn car's gonna be the death of me, man. It's a curse. thing is for real freaking cursed. Well, there you have it. Another one bites the dust. Oh, God. They're just toys at the end of the day. I let it piss me off, but we'll get her fixed. What do you think, Matt?
Sell it.
Sell it? I'm selling yours next. I'm gonna sell yours to fund mine. Sad, sad day for the old Civic, guys. Well, boys, I know that wasn't a very long video, but I'm tired. I'm worn out. I know I didn't show you a lot of the process, but I just need to get to the bottom of what was wrong with it. So I just yanked that engine out as quick as I could. Got it all ripped apart and, you know, figured out what was going on with it. So I did come up with the conclusion. You can see where the head gasket was blown out. So it lifted the head at 17 pounds with that new turbo. Push coolant, hydrolock cylinder 1. That's what caused that rod to bend. It bent it, broke bolts, sent out the block. So that's the damage. Here it is. Hole there. A little hole up here in here. She cracked it there inside the bottom of the block. All the other pistons are good. Well, you know, 2, 3, and 4. All the sleeves checked out. The sleeves were all good. It didn't crack a sleeve anywhere. The engine, everything else looked good with it. Cylinder head sitting over here. You can't really tell much, but sorry, it's hot. The cylinder head is right here. Everything under there looked fine. I think I showed you guys earlier. Two of the exhaust valves on cylinder 1 look like they're bent and stuck open a little bit. So we got a long road ahead of us. A lot of money's gonna have to get spent, maybe a little bit, but we'll get this thing back up. We'll get it going. Nonetheless, she'll be back out on the street. So, you know, race season's probably 2 or 3 months away still here. So I'm gonna have to get on my grind, get some money saved up, and, you know, start on another engine. But I don't think we're gonna put another 24 back in the car. It's just too hard on the rods. The stroke's too long. Can't rev them as high. It's a lot more stress on them. So I've had pretty bad luck with them. I'm gonna put a K20A2 back in the car. I'm gonna sleeve it, put Darton mid sleeves in it, and then probably a Trom Outlaw piston. I haven't decided on a rod yet. Either Sands, I-beam, 625 bolt, or maybe I'll try out a boost line or something. Wasn't gonna put an aluminum rod in it, but I think I'm gonna stray away from that just because the car does get drove on the street still. So I'll get all that figured out, and then I'll keep you guys informed. Oh yeah, I already put that in the car. Brand new turbo manifold's got a crack all the way around it too. So it's just been a good day all the way around. But here's a set of the sleeves. Actually, these are for a different engine. These are for a B series, but that's the sleeves that'll be going into my engine. We'll be doing it all right here. So I'll keep you guys along for the process, and, you know, stay tuned. If you guys got any questions about anything, just drop it in the comment section below. I know these videos aren't crazy action packed or nothing lately, but, you know, it's all part of the process. So stick around, stay tuned. Hit the like button, comment, subscribe. You guys do your thing and I'll do mine. Appreciate you for tuning in. Stick around for the next episode. Peace, guys.